Hey, it's the preacher, and we're back out in the backyard today. We're cutting up, or splitting up, the red oak that I had cut down in the backyard. You might have saw me splitting a big hickory log, giant hickory log. That come out of my front yard, just the top of it. We wasn't anywhere near the bottom. Here's the red oak. I don't know if you can see that right there. Pardon all the junk in the background. That's about 30 foot to the top. So what we're dealing with is some of the logs that come off there. And I've got one I think is about the same size as the hickory we used the other day. Let me put my hand down there for reference. Now obviously red oak tends to get a soggy center in it. It rots in the center. I've never seen a big red oak that wasn't rotting a little bit in the middle. Some worse than others. But I'm going to show you how much easier it is to split red oak as opposed to that spirally, stringy grained hickory. Red oak has a much finer grain and a much straighter grain, and you don't have to chip around the edges and work it to the center. With red oak, you can split it right down the middle. Let me show you the difference. Let me just kind of show you what I had there. If you'll notice at the bottom, there's the outside, from the bark side, you'll see that big limb. Just like we had on the hickory, we had a big limb coming out the bottom. Look at the grains in there. That's always cool to me. Anyways, I think that's a fair comparison. Roughly the same size, same length, same diameter. With a limb taken off, not just a straight piece of wood, but a comparable two logs, one hickory, one red oak. The red oak has the rot in the middle. Almost every red oak I've ever seen had rot in the middle, but they split a lot better. And I pulled that centerpiece out. You might have saw me tossing some of those chickens. They will peck around and get all the little termites and the larvae and stuff out of there. They like that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm not going to ramble. I'm going to split wood. Got a pretty good pile going here. As you can see, some of them logs about the same size as this rooster here is about to meet his death today. He wants He wants to sneak up behind me and try to spur me. And if that happens, he dies. He and I are going to have it out right now. You want some of this? Come on. Come on.